We've just brought into stock this beautiful BMW. It's the X3 2-litre diesel xDrive M Sport. So it's a 4-wheel drive, all-wheel drive. It's in beautiful grey metallic. Front park distance control. It's just been MOT'd, just been serviced. Pirelli tyres all the way around. Rear park distance control. Full M Sport body styling kit, as you can see by the larger rear diffuser. Absolutely lovely. Boot area is in lovely condition. We've got the original carpet mats there as well. Load cover. Full leather interior with white stitch piping. Electric windows, electric mirrors. It's got satellite navigation. It's done 102,101 miles only. Air conditioning's nice and cold. Different driving styles: Sport, Comfort, Eco Pro. Full iDrive system with the media pack. Bluetooth connectivity. All important 3-stage heated seats. Paddle shift on the gearbox. Cruise control. Automatic headlights. Aux and USB. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.